In this video, I will show you how to use your iPhone as a second monitor for your Windows PC using a simple USB connection. We'll be using a handy app called Splashtop Wired X Display. First, on your computer, open a web browser and head to the app's official website. Download the app for Windows and install it on your PC. Next, you'll need to install iTunes on your PC. iTunes includes important drivers that help your Windows PC recognize and communicate with your iPhone. Download it from the Microsoft Store and install it. Now, grab your iPhone and head to the App Store to download the Splashtop X Display app. After the installation is complete, plug your iPhone into your PC using a USB cable. It's best to use the cable that came with your iPhone or one that's fully compatible. Open the X Display app on both your PC and iPhone. Within a few seconds, your PC screen will appear on your iPhone. In the Splashtop Desktop app, you can adjust the frame rate and quality to suit your preferences. For smoother performance, lower the frame rate and quality if needed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.